The Metropolitan Club New York app. The pros, the cons. If you're a member of the Metropolitan Club in New York, the app promises to enhance your club experience, but is it worth using? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by thinking the app is just for event announcements. It actually allows you to reserve dining, book meeting rooms, and check event schedules directly from your phone. This makes planning your visit effortless. The app also provides access to member directories, so you can connect with fellow members for networking. For example, you can quickly see who is attending a business dinner or social event, which is perfect for professionals looking to expand connections. Another advantage is real-time updates. Notifications about special events, menu changes, or exclusive offers keep you informed without checking emails or calling the club. You can even view club news and photo galleries, enhancing engagement with the community. However, there are cons. Some users find that the interface can feel dated, with slow loading times during peak hours. Certain features, like billing or special requests, may still require direct contact with the club staff. The app is most effective for planning and communication, but it doesn't replace personal service entirely. In conclusion, the Metropolitan Club New York app is perfect for members who want quick access to reservations, events, and networking opportunities. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines many club interactions, it works best as a supplement to in-person services rather than a full replacement. For members looking to stay connected and organized, the app offers a convenient, engaging, and practical tool to enhance the club experience.